Or good evening, or wherever you are. It's Keith. I just thought I'd give you a short update and introduce you to some of our new staff. I'm actually in Hong Kong at the moment, so this is our Hong Kong office where we're actually based, or I'm based anyway. So we do the product development and various things here. So I'd just like to introduce you to a couple of our new staff who just recently joined us. This is Alan. He's responsible for all the logistics and doing dispatch. So if you've got any questions to doing dispatch and the orders, then Alan is the guy. And Fanny, who probably most guys know, is here. Fanny's actually heading off to the UK. So very soon. So she'll be heading off to England, hopefully continue working for us in the UK. Crystal, who you probably met before or spoken to before, she is the Chief Financial Officer, so she controls everything, so she is the main person. So we also have another guy here who just recently joined us called Tat. This is Tat. Hello. So Tat is responsible, sort of does all the other bits, pieces, generally sorts everything out, sorts all the mess out there. So he's responsible. We do a lot of product development here. Actually, I don't. This is Hilton. Hilton is actually responsible for. He's doing industrial design. So we're working on a new Pago system at the moment. So he's doing that design at the moment. Philip, who's behind him, hiding somewhere, and he is basically responsible for Southeast Asia. So he's looking after Southeast Asia and doing a lot of the product development. So we do a lot of design and development stuff here. We do a lot of testing. There's a lot goes on. We're a small, compact place. We do prototyping. We do. If I go in here, you'll see we do a lot of. We're doing a lot of developments. We've got new development stuff going on. We do a lot of, this is sort of rapid prototyping area where we're doing designs and stuff. So we should do here. So there's lots of things going on at the moment. So I'll go back into our meeting room and just sort of trying to show everybody a brief. What we are in Sunsynk, Hong Kong. So there's a lot here. This is actually our training room and our showroom, and you probably see me on many videos here. So I normally sit here and do my videos, and this is sort of my general backdrop. I'm going to introduce a couple of other people who joined us recently. So there's a guy in the UK called Joel, and I'm going to put his contact information. It's very important. We've just developed and we're about to launch our new data logger. So Sunsynk data logger. Will be a change. It's a game changer. It's a great piece of kit. It's a very simple piece of kit. And here we've got it connected onto one of the inverters. So this is it. It's got a LAN connection. It's Wi-Fi to LAN as well. So you've got the choice of both. So you've got a LAN or Wi-Fi. We may offer two versions, or we might just do the one version with everything in. The nice thing about this is you can do everything yourself. You can completely remotely control the inverter. You can do every single setting yourself. It has multiple tiers of operation. So you as an installer can have one level, and then your customer can have a different level. You can access from a laptop. If you do an installation, you don't need any setup knowledge at all. It can all be done remote. All settings can be done remote, everything. Even the upgrade, you want to do an upgrade, it's a click of a button. You can do the upgrade yourself. You don't need to ask us. So this is a nice feature about it. All your upgrades, you can choose what version of software you can do yourself. We're working in conjunction with a company called View. And you'll see Forward View, you'll see their logo. We worked with them, we developed the software with them. So it is a nice piece of software, but it is a Sunsynk piece of kit. We will, in the next month or so, have the Apple version and the Android version. But initially, we can work with another software, because we can work with it with a generic software which will work with. It's not Solar Man. It's a different system. It's a completely different system. It has lots and lots of things going on, and it's so easy to use. And you can see everything, and you can adjust everything. You want to change a battery setting, a discharge setting. You want to do anything at all. Switch your smart load on. Do absolutely anything. It all can be done totally remote, and you can then group units together. So it's got lots and lots of features. We're not fully released it, so we're going to doing some beta testing at the moment. So I am looking for people who are willing to do beta testing, and we'll send some free dongles out. I'm going to send a whole load of them out to our South Africa and to our UK office. And if you're looking at it, we reckon we've got the most controllable inverter on the market now. We've been working on this, we've been asked to do this, and we've been working on it a long time. So this is us. I'm going to send an update. I'm also going to do a video on an installation this probably next week. We have these all-in-one kits. Now we at Sunsynk, we've been making these things for a long time. These inverter charger units and all-in-one. We've been making these for many years. We've got a brand new one, an all-in-one unit. It's got a couple of kilowatt of lithium batteries, massive inverter, MPPT. And it's all in one box. I'm going on a site next week, and we're going to install one in Hong Kong, in a farm in Hong Kong, and I'm going to film it, and we'll see how it works. It's to work some pumps and stuff, so this should be great. Not looking forward to getting bitten by mosquitoes. In England we don't get any mosquitoes, but out here we're probably going to get bitten, so just bear with us. So thanks for watching my blog, and I'll keep in touch. Cheers, bye bye.